So in this video we are going to create the subscription session. That's this one. So over here will be div with a class of YT dash description dash session. So this is what we have. Then over here we also have another div. We have div with a class of YT dash subscription or subscribe. So let's indent it well. Then over here we have the author, which is this one. So this one over here will contain the author profile image, the author name or the channel name, and the subscription or the subscribers. So over here will be div, then inside we have YT dash author. Then over here we have a link. The link is not going anywhere. Then over here we also have a div with a class of author dash image. Then over here we will give it an image. This one will be the SRC, and over here we'll give it a style and some inline styles. So border dash radius to be 50%. Okay, so the SRC, we have inside our images assets, images, so you can choose any profile that you want, any channel profile at all that you want will do. Okay, so you can choose any of them. Okay, so over here will be assets slash images slash channel underscore profile dot one dot jpg. This one be channel profile. So okay, let me make this one 6. Then outside this one, but still inside the YT dash author, we also have another div dash container. Let's make this one container, and this one over here will be div with a class of YT dash author. So this one over here will contain the author name. So this one will be the ampersand h3 h3. This one is T. So the name over here will be Les Brown. Still inside this one we have a p element, then there's number of subscribers. So this one will be subscribers. Okay, as you can see over here, this is what we are having. So we start it so that it look nice. Okay, so the next thing I want us to work on is this one. Then we style it. So outside this one, but still inside this one, we also have a button. With a class of subscribers or btn, so YT dash btn dash subscribe. So this one, the text over will be subscribe. So now this is what we have. Okay, so now let's style it so that it look nice. So click here and inspect. Okay. So realize that inside this one, the YT subscribers, we have two div. One is a button and one is this one. So I want them to sit side by side. So I'll use display flex. So click on this one. Over display to be flex. Then justify content to be center. Then flex direction. Flex content. Then flex direction to be column. Okay. So now copy this one from here. Go here. Just paste it here. Okay. So now the next thing I want us to work on is this one. That's the YT dash alter dash container. I want the alter icon and this one to sit side by side. So I'll also use flex. So this one will display to be flex. Then gap to be 15 ps. Okay. So now click on this one. Okay. So now the next thing I want us to work on. The next thing I want us to work on is what? Okay. So this one over here, the space over here must be what? So click on this one. Scroll up. This one, as you can see over here, the space between, as you can see over here, this one over is far away. So over here, remove this one from here. So this one over here, instead of just by content center, this one space between. I mean this one. Then also padding to be 20 ps, then 0, then 0, then 0. Okay, so cut this one from here, copy everything from here, then replace this one with the copy text. Okay, as you can see over here, our logic has worked fine. So go to your element tab, then over here, as you can see, I want this one to sit side by side, as we have done, display to be flex, gap to be 15 ps. So you can choose to increase the gap over here if you want. So the next thing I want us to work on is what? The alter link, this one. So go to your sources. Over here we have to copy this one from here, dot, then paste it here, then give it a color, to be ampersand 303030, then text dash decoration to be none. Now the next thing I want us to work on is the H3. Which H3? This one. So copy this one from here, go to your sources, so dot, then paste it here, then H3. Give it a font size to to be 14 ps. The margin dash bottom to be 5 ps. Okay, so now let's work on the paragraph. So this one be dot yt dash alter then p. Give it a font size to be 12 ps. Then color to be ampersand 303030, then semicolon. Okay, so now the next thing I want us to work on, before we work on the image, I want us to work on the subscriber button. So go to your element tab, copy this one from here, then go to your sources, y dot, then paste it here. Y, give it a background color to be red, so CC00000. Then color to be ampersand FFF, that's white. The font dash size to be 14 ps. Then font dash weight to be 600. Then border dash radius to be 2 ps. Weight to be 120 ps. Height to be 36 ps. Then margin to be 0, then 20 ps. So now copy everything from here. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, so now the next thing I want, also this cursor is supposed to be pointer, so when the user hover on it, and also this one too. So this one, when the user hover on it, I want the cursor to be pointer. So go to watch dot, over here attach cursor dash pointer. So now let's work on the image. So click on the plus icon, this one, click on the plus icon, click here. So over here we'll give it a background. Let's forget about the back. So we'll give it a weight to be 48 ps. Height to be also 48 ps. Then display to be flex. Align items to be center. Justify dash content to be also center. Okay, so now copy this one from here. Go to watch dots. Okay, then paste it here. So the next now we need to work on is this one. Okay. So go to your watch.html. So still inside this one, but outside this one, we also have another div with a class of yt-video that description. Then over here will be ul, then li. So realize that we have this one, so copy this one from here. This one will just be a tag, then paste it here. The second one too is this one. So we have li, then copy this one from here. Then paste it here. Then our a tag. So over here we have this one. So yours will be different based on the video that you are on. Yours will be different. So there is it. Then outside the UL, we also have the paper, then show more. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we have, but it's looking ugly now. So you need to style it so that it looks nice. So click over and inspect. Copy this one. Just go to your sources. Scroll down. Over here dot. Then paste it here. Then a. Give it a color of ampersand 3EA6FF. Then semicolon. Then text decoration. We don't need text decoration. So this one will be 3E. Okay. So the next thing that we want over here is to work on the UL, this one. So dot, then paste it here, then UL. Give it a margin to be 10 ps, 0, 0, then 0, then semicolon. Color to be ampersand FFF. Then margin let's increase the font size. So this one, the font size to be 14 ps. So this one, let's make it 15 ps. Okay. And over here, let's make the color to be 333. Okay. Then this one be display to be flex. Flex dash direction to be column. Okay. So the next thing I want us to work on is the li, this one. So you have dots, then paste it here, li. Margin dash left to be 80 ps. Text dash indent to be -6 ps. Line dash height to be 20 ps. Then color to be ampersand 303030, then semicolon. So the next one is the paragraph. That's this one. Okay. So this one with video, that's YT dash video description, then P. So I give it a font size to be 12 ps. And color ampersand 303030. The margin dash top to be 10 ps. Margin dash left to be 65 ps. Okay, so now copy everything from here. Go to watch dots. Replace this one in the copy text. So everything is looking now nice. Now you can live with that. Okay, so the next thing, as you see, as you can see, it's not responsive. It's not really responsive, as you can see. So we'll make it responsive in the next video.